Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of water coolers with a focus on one of the most trusted brands out there, Brio. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional water cooler dispenser, you're in the right place. I'll be breaking down the top 5 best Brio water cooler dispensers for 2025, covering their features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Brio Moderna Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser. Tri-temp settings: hot, room, cold, adjustable temperature control, self-cleaning function, touch dispense technology, child safety lock, holds 3 or 5 gallon bottles, digital display with LED lighting. The Brio Moderna is a sleek and modern water cooler that's perfect for both homes and offices. The tri-temperature settings make it versatile, whether you need hot water for tea, cold water for a refreshing drink, or room temperature water for cooking. The self-cleaning feature is a huge plus, ensuring your dispenser stays hygienic with minimal effort. The touch dispense is convenient, and the child safety lock adds peace of mind for families. Pros: stylish design with LED lighting, easy-to-use touch dispense, self-cleaning function saves time, adjustable temperature settings. Cons: slightly pricier than other models. LED lights may not be necessary for everyone. Number 2. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. Stainless steel. 3 temperature settings: hot, room, cold, child safety lock, LED display with empty bottle alert, stainless steel construction, holds 5 gallon bottles. This stainless steel model from Brio is a durable and practical choice. The empty bottle alert is a handy feature that lets you know when it's time to replace the bottle. The stainless steel build not only looks premium but also ensures longevity. The 3 temperature settings cater to all your needs, and the child safety lock is a great addition for households with kids. Pros: durable stainless steel design. Empty bottle alert is very useful, easy to assemble and use. Cons: no self-cleaning feature. Basic design compared to other models. Number 3. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler Limited Edition. 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, cool, self-cleaning function. Bottom loading design: sleek and compact build. This limited edition model is perfect for those who want a self-cleaning water cooler without compromising on style. The bottom loading design makes it easy to replace bottles, and the 3 temperature settings ensure you get the perfect water temperature every time. It's compact, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Pros: self-cleaning feature, compact and space-saving design, easy bottle replacement. Cons: limited edition may be harder to find, no digital display or advanced features. Number 4. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler Black Stainless Steel. 3 temperature settings: hot, room, cold, self-cleaning function, black stainless steel finish. Bottom loading design. If you're looking for a water cooler that combines functionality with a modern aesthetic, this black stainless steel model is a great choice. The self-cleaning feature keeps maintenance to a minimum, and the 3 temperature settings are perfect for any use case. The black stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Pros: stylish black stainless steel design, self-cleaning function, reliable temperature settings. Cons: slightly heavier due to the stainless steel build, no digital display. Number 5. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler Black Stainless Steel. 3 temperature settings: hot, room, cold, self-cleaning function, black stainless steel finish. Bottom loading design. This model is almost identical to the previous one but is worth mentioning because of its popularity. It's a reliable, no-frills water cooler that gets the job done. The self-cleaning feature and 3 temperature settings make it a practical choice for everyday use. Pros: affordable and reliable. Self-cleaning function, sleek black stainless steel design. Cons: lacks advanced features like a digital display. Basic functionality compared to higher-end models. So, which Brio water cooler dispenser is the best for you? If you want advanced features like a digital display and touch dispense, go for the Brio Moderna. For a durable and practical option, the stainless steel model is a great pick. And if you're looking for something stylish and self-cleaning, the black stainless steel models are perfect. No matter which one you choose, Brio offers reliable and high-quality water coolers that cater to different needs and budgets. Let me know in the comments which one you're considering, or if you already own one of these. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.